The seated cable incline chest press is an exercise that primarily targets the upper chest. Using a cable machine allows you to keep continuous tension on the chest throughout the entire range of motion. Here's how to do it correctly. Position an adjustable bench in the middle of the cable machine set to a 30 to 45 degree angle. Set the cable machine pulleys to the lowest position on both sides with D-handle grips attached. Sit down on the inclined bench with your back firmly pressed against the pad and feet firmly pressed into the floor for stability. Grab the D-handles with an overhand palms facing away grip, then hold them at chest level with your upper arms parallel to the floor and elbows bent at approximately a 90-degree angle. Engage your core to maintain a stable torso position. Exhale, then press the handles up and slightly inward by extending your elbows and contracting your chest muscles. Push until your arms are fully extended but not locked out and the handles meet or nearly meet at the top. Focus on keeping your back flat and against the bench at all times rather than arching your back. At the top of the movement, squeeze your chest muscles for a brief second. Focus on maintaining tension in your chest throughout the entire range of motion. Inhale, then under control, lower the handles back to the starting position by bending your elbows and allowing the handles to return to chest level. Keep your elbows slightly tucked in and avoid letting them flare out too much to protect your shoulders. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.